Aloha and welcome to another edition of Monica at Home. My name is Jameeka Marshall and I am an outreach assistant at the International Gemini Observatory, which is a program of NSF's NORA Lab. Citizen science is a collaboration between scientists and those of us who are just curious or concerned and motivated to make a difference. Everyday people are collecting data by taking photos of clouds or streams, documenting changes in nature, and using smartphone sensors to help scientists monitor water and air quality. A citizen science project can involve one person or millions of people collaborating towards a common goal. Typically, public involvement is in data collection, analysis, and reporting. Now, the Globe at Night is a NORA Lab citizen science campaign in which you can help raise public awareness of the impact of light pollution by measuring the night sky brightness in your area from a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Now, light pollution not only threatens our right to starlight, but it can affect energy consumption, wildlife, and of course, negatively affect animal and human health as well. Now, more than 2,000 observations, measurements have been submitted over the past 16 years, making the Globe at Night one of the most successful light pollution awareness campaigns to date. Now, participation is easy, and you have the QR code here on screen that you can scan to take you to the Globe at Night homepage and go to report in order to enter your observations. Now, on our last Monica at Home video featuring the Globe at Night, we took a look at Stellarium, which is a free software planetarium program that you can use to identify constellations. Now, the Globe at Night campaign focuses on one constellation per month that you look up towards in order to give feedback on the sky brightness in your area. So we learned how to do that in the last video. And so today we're going to look at what a sky quality meter is and how we can actually use one. Now, here on the screen, on the left, we have a QR code that's going to take you to the International Dark Sky Association's website on how to actually use a sky quality meter to take data. But first, what is a sky quality meter? So this is a sky quality meter. What is that? And you can see that here, another example of a sky quality meter in this graphic number 7 here. So a sky quality meter is an instrument used to measure the luminance of the night sky. It's used typically by amateur astronomers to quantify the sky glow aspect of light pollution, and it uses units of magnitudes per square arc seconds, which is favored by astronomers. Now, the sky quality meter is easy to use. You simply hold the device above your head, pointing the photometer at the zenith, top of the sky, and you're just going to click the button. And once you do that, the screen will display the sky brightness. It will display the sky brightness at that point, and it's going to be in the astronomer's units. Now, as I've said before in previous videos, you do not have to enter sky quality meter information in order to submit your observations for the Globe at Night. But this does provide additional, very helpful details that researchers can use. So please check out the QR code and go to the International Dark Sky Association's website to learn more about how to use sky quality meter. Now, the upcoming Globe at Night campaign begins on November 25th, 2021. And let's see if we can use a sky quality meter in our upcoming observations. Now, in our next video, I will discuss a smartphone app that simulates what the sky quality meter can do so that you can add that information into your globe at night observations. So stay tuned here next time for more information on how to use a sky quality meter in your globe at night observations. Until next time, thank you so much for joining us for Mauna Kea at Home. Mahalo and aloha.